Hi everyone. In this really quick video, I'm going to show you a really useful site called LMArena. If you've ever wondered which AI tool is best for your task, whether it's generating text, images, or converting text to speech, LMArena can help you make a decision based on how real users rate them. So let's take a look at how this actually works. First off, let's look at the leaderboard. This is your starting point, so if you're not sure which AI to try, always head here first. The leaderboard shows you the top-rated AI platforms in different categories. The categories are based on the type of task, like text-to-text, text-to-image, text-to-speech. These rankings are dynamic and they change regularly because users, like you, can upvote or downvote tools based on how well they work for a specific purpose. So if lots of people find an AI especially good for creating realistic voices, it will climb the text-to-speech leaderboard. If it's less helpful, it will drop down. Now, the really handy part is the battle feature. If you select this, you can do a side-by-side comparison between two models of your choice. So we'll stick with Gemini and we'll see what else we have on here. So let's go for Chat GPT. And then you can copy your prompt into the search bar and see what responses you get. It may take a couple of minutes. It just depends on the database itself. You'll find that some databases are quicker than others to generate a response. Here we go. So on the left, Gemini's response. And then obviously on the right, once ChatGPT is done, we'll be able to see that response. You'll have your own preferences. You'll find that you will prefer one over the other. So this is just a really good way to see which response do you prefer. So while ChatGPT is still generating, let's just scroll up and have a look at what this is here. So okay, so it's actually deconstructed my research question into some core concepts. So we have a few core concepts here. And then we go straight into building search queries. It's then started by giving me a very broad search. And then it tells me exactly why this works. So it's giving me a little bit more information than what I actually asked for, which is great. Okay. And it's even going further. So it's given me another query, which is extremely specific. And if I scroll down, I have even more queries to use. So this is a process. So one by one, you can copy and paste these queries into a database such as Scopus and see what the results are. So ChatGPT is still generating. Here we go. So while that's still generating, we can have a look at the top. So it's saying to us, here's a copy and paste ready Scopus advanced search that's tailored towards our topic. It's giving us a little bit of information on the syntax that it's used. And it's kind of reassuring us that it has used what we actually asked it to do. So straight off the bat, I can see that this search string that ChatGPT has created is a lot more complex than the one that Gemini did. So it would probably be good to actually trial both. Try Gemini first and then use ChatGPT's response and see what the difference is. Are you getting the same articles returning or different ones? So this is a very, very big search string. But what you would do, you would simply just copy the code or the text, paste it into the advanced search feature on Scopus. And we'll just scroll down to see what else it has given us. So here it's given us a slightly more broader context. And here it's searching only within the title. So that will naturally give you a lot less results. And it's given us quite a few different options here, focusing on different concepts to answer our research question. So I would say actually that ChatGPT has given us more search queries than Gemini did, but until you actually test them out, you don't know how useful they are. And here you can actually vote, and your vote will then affect the leaderboard. So have a go, head to LMArena and see what you think about it.